have a call really about a close family relative who lives out of state. He lost both of his adult children due to accidents, so now he's faced with having to do a new will. Has a very small estate, but of course would like his grandchildren to take part. Does he need an executor, or can an attorney, since he's out of state, there's, it's not really feasible for anyone up here to try to help him. Does he need an executor, or does the attorney? How will he go about finding a low-cost, reliable attorney?
Okay, good.
Well, the first thing, it's very important that you, whatever state that you live in, you need to contact an attorney there. Most states generally follow each other's wills, will honor each other's wills, but there are differences. And I always recommend to folks, even if you've lived in Alabama and moved to another state, it's always good to see an attorney there. And yes, ma'am, to answer your question, the will picks a first and second choice executor. And it doesn't have to be a family member. It can be someone you trust. It can be someone from church. And usually I have a list I go over with my clients to give them ideas if they don't necessarily have a family member that can serve, but your will does allow you to make a first and second choice.
Well, speaking of the executor of an estate, explain to folks, if they're not familiar, what that position is. Yeah. Explain what that means.
Well, I kind of describe it as a manager. It doesn't have to be a beneficiary, but it can be. And that person is going to marshal the assets. They're going to sell the home or sell the vehicle. And folks continue to say, I don't have a very large estate. If you have anything, you have an estate. And so that person will manage it and then make sure that the will is followed, that the beneficiaries receive who they pick. So
they do the business part of it.